In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Exness account to TradingView and place trades directly from the chart. First, open your browser and head to TradingView.com. Make sure you're signed in so your connection and settings are saved. Once the site loads, look toward the bottom of your screen for the trading panel. If you don't see it, expand the lower toolbar until the panel appears. Inside the trading panel, select All Brokers. In the search bar, type Exness and look for the listing labeled Exness. This is where you can verify availability. TradingView broker access depends on your location and account type, so confirm that Exness is supported in your region. If it's listed as available, you're good to proceed. If it's not available, that means connections from your region aren't supported through TradingView at this time. When Exness is supported, click Connect. A secure authorization window will open. Log into your Exness account using your standard credentials and choose the correct MT5 server assigned to you. If you're unsure which server to use, you can find it in your Exness app or terminal. It must match exactly for the connection to work. Complete any two-factor prompts you have enabled and approve the connection so TradingView can link to your trading account. If you see any browser pop-up or blocker warnings, allow the window so the authorization can finish. After a successful connection, the trading panel will show Exness as your active broker. You'll be able to see your balance, equity, and connection status right in TradingView. From here, you can trade directly on the chart. Open the instrument you want to trade, then use the buy or sell buttons to launch an order ticket. Choose the order type, set your position size, and define risk controls like stop loss and take profit before you send the order. Make sure the symbol on your chart matches the instrument offered by Exness to avoid rejection. You'll see open positions and orders reflected on the chart, and you can manage them by dragging levels or editing the ticket in the panel. A few quick tips to keep everything smooth. Confirm your account is MT5 based since that's what the connection uses. Double check that your lot size and leverage align with your risk plan, and keep an eye on market hours for the instrument you're trading. When you're finished, you can disconnect from the trading panel at any time. That's it, your Exness account is now connected to TradingView, and you're ready to trade directly from your charts.